When I first came across tarot in the January of 2022, I had no idea what this is about and I was really curious about it. So I went to my local tarot store, which is the neighborhood witch store where I work now. And I saw that every time I would go there to get a reading, I have always seen the readers doing the same Celtic cross spread, which is completely fine by the way. But when I learned tarot in 2023, I was not taught how to do this Celtic cross spread. Like there was a lot of information available online, but I never had that hands on training with the Celtic cross spread. And it made me think that I don't have to stick with a spread, I don't have to stick with what other readers are doing out there. And that is the beauty of tarot, that there are absolutely no rules in this. The only rule that I have made for myself is to always connect with my intuition, is to clear my energy field, so I make space for my client's energy, for the messages that wants to come through for them. And I talk about this a lot when I teach people how to connect with the energy of tarot in my tarot masterclass and also in my 7-week deep dive program. The tarot spreads that I like to do for myself and for my clients is the house spread, which is the short 15-minute spread, and the wheel of the year spread, which is a very common spread. This is the half an hour spread. I also came across amazing, wonderful spreads that are available for free online, but none of them completely resonated with me. Like they were talking about amazing topics, but it just wasn't something that I would do in my own reading. So I learned how you can create your own spreads based on your intuition, based on what feels right for you, based on the experiences you have had in your own life and what you want to empower other people to do. I then went into a deep research on the internet to find like the best tarot spreads out there. And I did find a lot of amazing spreads, but I then decided to take some of that inspiration and to make it my own. And it took me about 2 to 3 months to develop all of them. And when I finally had like about 11 to 12 spreads, which I created from the internet and also based on my own intuition, I used them as short 10-minute readings, which I introduced last year, but then I took it off. I still have those spreads which I really want to give out to people if it resonates with them, and I'm giving them out for free as a bonus when you sign up with me for my 7-week deep dive program happening every Sunday starting from April 13th going up to March 25th. So if you want to learn about how you can create your own spreads, how you can break the glass ceilings, break the limitations, especially when it comes to using your intuition in your life and using your intuition with tarot, then the deep dive program really goes into the detail of connecting with your deck, whether it's a tarot deck, oracle deck. The best part about this program is to give more space to yourself, allow yourself to make as many mistakes as you want, and really know that this is okay. Really know that you don't have to be perfect. You don't have to even be psychic in order to read tarot. You just have to practice your intuition as a muscle. You can find all of this information on my website. Just click the link in the bio and click on the deep dive program under the offering section. And do let me know if you have any other questions about it. I would be happy to answer them.